What up YouTube, it's your boy Domlace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Yes guys, this is not where I usually film, but I'm packing and I'm moving into a house. Yes, and also might be a little echoing in here because it's so empty. There's nothing to absorb the sound, but I hope it's clear for you guys to hear me. And today we're going to be doing a good St. Patrick's green look because your boy is March 17th is his birthday, and I am a St. Patty's Day, and you know it's all about me this month. Anywho, let's get to this face. I'm sorry, let's get to this face, guys. I love you. Like I said, guys, I am going to give the did I say James Charles? I am going to be giving the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Palette another chance. And the real reason why I'm doing this is because it has a lot of green shades in it and I need to use it for this look. I'm also going to be using this other palette, which is from Juvia's place, which is the Tribal palette right here. I love this because it has so many green shades and the undertones of green. I did use this in a 10-minute challenge video, so you guys didn't really get to see me play with the colors other than the fact that it was done. But I will be getting in more depth of this palette. This palette is great, as you guys will see in that review, but I love the color scheme because green is a nice color, but it's very intimidating to some people, and I understand why, because if you fuck up, there's no coming back.
No coming back.
So I understand, guys. But here goes the Alien palette. You guys already seen this everywhere. This came out in November. I got this back then and I haven't used it since that last video. And I got really upset with Area 15, which is this purple shade in this palette. I love purples. However, this purple does not blend well. But I'm gonna maybe try to get in another video. But do you see these greens, like this alien shade, abduction, flying saucer? Like, I love this, and this is a very cool tone palette, and in this one you get 18 shades. You get 18 shades in here, and in the other one you get 9. So I mean, this is 52 and the other one is only like $20, so you see the difference. But Jeffree has good eyeshadows and other products on his line, or cosmetics line. So let's get into this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the priming of the eye. I think I'm going to be using the Milk Pencil. Just going to get a little bit out. So first I'm going to be taking the Morphe M173 brush right here from the James Charles collection with Morphe. And if you're hearing that it's a small fan. It's hot. I do have the AC on, but this bathroom for some reason gets very hot, and I don't know why. I might have a few spirits in here, you know, I might have a few spirits in here, girl. All right, now that we have our base on, using the Milk Pencil by NYX, girl, NYX. I think we're ready for a look. But anywho, like I was saying, guys, in the intro, your boy's birthday is March 17th, and that is St. Patty's Day. It'll be my 24th birthday because this year, well, last year was my GOAT year. It really didn't feel like it because a lot had happened last year, and I thought it would be more like a more successful year. But that year was when I started YouTube, so you know, it was a win-win situation. However, a lot has happened, and you know, I've grown up a lot, but also I feel like a lot of people are out to get me, you know? And it's a lot of these bums, as I would say. And I just feel like, girl, focus on yourself. Don't worry about little old me. Because I don't know what it is, but I mean, I guess I'm a bad bitch and people are just intimidated by me, you know? Because I have a fat ass bitch, look good, I don't know. Is it an issue? Girl, I don't know. Okay, so first I'm going to do this cute eye, I think, and I'm going to be using the brush right here. This is the M506 brush right here. I love this brush just to pack in a nice color in my inner corner. And I really think I'm going to go in with 2 colors, Abduction and then this shade right here. I love these 2 shades. Like, they're almost similar, But I love the Jeffree Star one a little bit better. But again, guys, this can be in a dupe if you're in like a cheap, if you want a cheaper palette, a more affordable palette, you could get this green from that green right there, like literally. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Oh my god, let's go, let's go. Ooh, child, ooh, green girl. We got green, green, roger that.
Roger that, roger that.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix in this lighter green at the top because they look the same, but I feel like they have a different outcome. So I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm just going to go into this green from the Tribal collection right here, honey, right here. And we're just gonna put it at the top and just blend it up. And then guys, like I said, I'm gonna go in, after using the shade Abduction, I'm gonna go back in with that shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And I'm gonna use a different brush because I've seen that when I was using it, it was actually darkening it, and I don't want to really be that dark, so I'm just gonna blend it out. And if you guys want to vlog on my birthday, just let me know and I would do that just for you guys. You know, it's supposed to be my day, but I would bring you with me. I think it would be legit. It would be legit, girl. And now I need to darken it. And I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. This shade first real quick, and we're just gonna add that to the outer part right here, just to darken it up a little bit. Now that we got that green on there, nicely packed, I think I'm gonna go in with a darker green just for the corner so that we can darken it up a little bit. And either Flying Saucer or that Forest Green. But I really want to use that Forest Green. I think I'm gonna use that Forest Green just to darken it up a little bit. Take the egg excess, because I think I'm gonna do it like a nice little cut crease. I think that would be so cute, like fully over. Let's go in, let's actually do that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. We're gonna jump into this right here. This is the shade Oatmeal in the Infallible Concealer. Then I'm going to be using a M124 brush right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that product on here. Ooh, that is so pretty. Now I think we're gonna go into the shade Alien, which is this beautiful green. But I wanna go into Probe. So I might add Probe to the outer corner and then use Alien in the inner. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So now we're gonna go into the shade Alien, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna take it without being wet first, and I'm just gonna start packing it on the eye. Did it get in my eye, or am I just like blinking? Okay. Okay. I like that. I really do like that. So now we're gonna go into the shade Probe, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna flip the brush around. Okay, Jeffree, this palette is not as bad as I said. I mean, even though I didn't say it was bad, but I did say I was not impressed just because of that purple shade. But baby, these other shades are very pretty. And there's barely any fallout, for real, for real. Ooh, look at that nice cut. I just need to move that so I can get right here. Get right up in there. Ooh, that is so pretty. And we're gonna go back into the lighter green shade and we're just gonna blend the two together. So it don't look too harsh. That eye look is pretty. So let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now let's go ahead and finish the under eye and then we're done with this video and you guys can go ahead and enjoy your beautiful day, because literally I just wanted to show you that you can play with greens and don't be too scared of them. There we go, baby. This look, this is a St. Patrick's Day holiday inspiration / my birthday. Yes, guys, I will be 24 this year. But anywho, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want more interesting looks like this, baby, just come back. Just come back, because your boy will do it. Your boy will have a beautiful look for you. Do you see that?